Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Alexis from the Boys and Girls Club of Highlands Elementary School, and today we're going to be doing a fun art project. We will be making origami dogs. How cute! For this art project, you're going to need a square piece of blank paper and then just some markers. I have a black one and a few brown ones, but you can do whatever colors you want. Be creative. Alright, let's get started. Alright, you're going to start with your square piece of paper by folding it in half. Once you have it folded in half, it'll look like a triangle. Then you're going to fold it in half another time. Make sure you're lining up each corner to each edge so you have a nice and even fold. I'll show you what it will look like. Once you're done folding that side, you're going to then unfold it so there's a line down the middle. Then you'll take each corner and fold them downward. These are going to be the ears of our dog. And then once you have each ear folded down, you want to make sure that they're even on both sides so they look symmetrical. And I'll show you what mine look like. Now you're going to take the top point and flip over your dog and just fold that into a little triangle so there's a straight line at the top instead of a point. Once you're done with that, you'll take the bottom point and fold it up into a little triangle, just like you did with the top, but you're not going to flip the dog over this time. Then you'll fold it up one more time. And I'll show you again what mine looks like when I'm done. And there you have it, your origami dog. Now, we're going to take a sheet of paper so we don't color on the surface we're using and start adding details to the dog. I decided I wanted to color each ear brown, so that is what I did. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out today and making origami dogs with me. I hope you guys try them at home, and if you do, let me know how it goes. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!